how to make waiver claims and free agent pickups on Sleeper, and instructions in acquiring new players for your team. Now, Sleeper offers a straightforward process for making waiver claims and free agent pickups. First of all, you have to understand what waivers is. Waivers are a process where unowned players are available to be claimed by teams. The order of waiver claims is usually determined by a waiver wire system like FAAB, continuous rolling list, or inverse standings. Now, in order to access the waiver wire, you can just go to the Players tab from your league, and you can simply use the filters to find available players, and players on waivers will be clearly marked right over here. And what you want to do from here is, waivers typically process at a specific time, which is often overnight, and the team with the highest waiver priority or highest FAAB bid will get the player. And this is how, by following these instructions and considering these tips, you can effectively manage your roster and acquire valuable players through waivers and free agency. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.